The gift created by the Infinite Academy. How do you wish people on their birthday? Say happy birthday? Yes. Give them a smile and a hug. Give them flowers. Make a card for them. Give them a gift. This is Champa. It is her mother's birthday today. What can I give mother? She looks around the village. Here is Dina Chachi. She is milking her cow. Champa, here's some fresh milk for you. Thank you, Chachi. Champa puts the milk in her basket. Here is Lal, the farmer. He sees Champa. Hello, Champa. Here are some eggs for you. Thank you. Champa puts the eggs in her basket. Riaz is Champa's best friend. Here are 4 mangoes for you. Thank you. Champa puts the mangoes in her basket. Champa is near a field. The field is full of flowers. Let me pick some pink and yellow flowers. Champa ties the flowers with a ribbon. She puts the flowers in her basket. Oh, look! Champa's basket is full. It has flowers, fruits, eggs, and some milk. Champa is very happy. She runs home to her mother. Champa gives the basket to her mother. Happy birthday, mother! Hope you enjoyed the story. Thanks for watching, and please share, like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.